Hey, this is Gary Kayye. We're at ISE 2020. This is day one. The show floor literally just opened. I'm here at the Epiphan booth with David Quirk. Hey, David, how are you?
I'm good, Gary.
David is the VP of Marketing for Epiphan. And look, they're here introducing a new product. But before we talk about the new product, a lot of people may not know who Epiphan. I know who Epiphan is because we use the Pearl too. Yeah. But what is Epiphan?
So we build hardware encoders mainly for live streaming of video. And so that could be recording in large venues or simple kind of getting out to YouTube, getting your videos out there. So for live video transmission, that's what we do.
Yeah, and you do it where you can actually simultaneously broadcast on YouTube and Facebook and any other streaming platform, H.264, 265. You can do lots of cool things with it, like it plugs into Kaltura and Panopto as well, so that for content management and for sending it in other places. But you've introduced a brand new product here called LiveScrypt, and LiveScrypt is unique because it's sort of like real-time transcription.
That's right. Yeah, it's live captioning in a room. So this is a LiveScrypt here, and basically you plug in your audio source, whether that's an analog mic or coming from a mixer, plug in your network, hit start, and you'll get live transcriptions here on the live screen, as well as you can attach a large display. So in a conference environment or an education environment, you could have a large screen at the front of the room that's showing the live captioning as the presentation's happening.
So ultimately, like if a presenter is in a large room and you have ADA obviously to deal with, right, where you have hearing disabilities and you want to be able to serve that, but also you have a case where somebody might English is their second language. Maybe they come from Germany, do a presentation at the medical school in the United States, or vice versa, and because you have world languages inside of this thing. So then you're getting the transcription live so that you can follow along if in the case that you don't totally understand somebody in their native language.
Exactly, yeah. If you miss a few things that the speaker is saying, you can just glance over at those captions, catch up quickly, and then you're right back to listening again. And that could be somebody beside you is talking about what they're doing on the weekend and they distract you from what's going on. Or it could be that the language that's being presented is not your first language and you just need a little help to glance at some written transcription. So it just helps people follow along as the presentation goes.
And appropriately named LiveScrypt. That's a great name, just based on the way you explained it. Now Epiphan does have a whole family of streaming products, from little small portable products to fixed install products. You can see them at epiphan.com. Of course, we're going to go around and shoot videos on all the individual products here, including the LiveScrypt. So we'll do an individual video on how the LiveScrypt works, what all the different ports are here. You'll notice there's an HDMI port, obviously, to send the output of the text. We're going to do that here today. So what I want you to do is, if you're watching this and it's ISE 2020 after the show or even during the show, go to ravepubs.com/ISE 2020 and type in Epiphan in the video search window and you'll find them all. Of course, you can always go to epiphan.com. David, thank you very much for joining me today.
Oh, thanks a lot, Gary.
Thanks for joining us. We got a lot more to cover, so stay tuned.